Hi everybody, we're at the South African Guide Dogs Association 70th celebration.
Has been absolutely fabulous. We're so lucky that the public have turned out in their hundreds to support us, and that's what it's all about. We depend on them to support us and to get us through the day so that we can serve the people that we look after.
"70 years in, it kind of speaks for itself. They're doing a fantastic job.
And it's been great fun.
Today has been wonderful. We've had such giving people, lots of activity on the course. They've really enjoyed themselves, and we currently are having a sibling challenge. The mother submitted them, and they are all competing against each other, which is going to be quite fun.
Suzuki Kyalami have been great today. They've put together this obstacle course, and I'm sure you're going to pan in over here in a second. And you'll see that people are driving these jimneys blindfolded, and you donate money. Whatever money you donate goes to the cause today, which is great. So Suzuki Kyalami have really pulled out and showed that they also care.
We're honoured to be here.
Suzuki Kyalami have been sponsoring guide dogs for a few years now, and we love being part of that.